Here is a beginner-level customer service quiz that covers customer communication and crisis handling, customer-centric culture development, and competitive benchmarking in customer service. Let's go! Question 1. What is the primary goal of effective customer communication? A. To provide clear, respectful, and solution-oriented interactions. B. To use technical jargon that confuses customers. C. To avoid direct communication to reduce complaints. And D. To make the conversation as short as possible. The answer is to provide clear, respectful, and solution-oriented interactions. Question 2. Which of the following is an essential skill for handling customer communication during a crisis? A. Ignoring customer concerns to avoid panic. B. Speaking calmly, acknowledging concerns, and offering solutions. C. Blaming customers for misunderstandings. And D. Providing vague or misleading information. The answer is speaking calmly, acknowledging concerns, and offering solutions. Question 3. How should a customer service representative respond to a frustrated customer? A. Interrupt them to speed up the conversation. B. Tell them their frustration is unnecessary. C. Listen actively, show empathy, and work toward a resolution. And D. Put them on hold until they calm down. The answer is listen actively, show empathy, and work toward a resolution. Question 4. Which of the following is not a good crisis communication strategy? A. Providing customers with accurate and timely information. B. Keeping the communication professional and solution-focused. C. Apologizing and taking responsibility if the company is at fault. And D. Avoiding customer inquiries until the crisis is over. The answer is avoiding customer inquiries until the crisis is over. Question 5. What is the best way to communicate during a service outage? A. Provide transparent updates about the issue and expected resolution time. B. Ignore customers and let them find out on their own. C. Tell customers there is no problem. And D. Blame the customers for technical issues. The answer is provide transparent updates about the issue and expected resolution time. Question 6. What does customer-centric culture development mean? A. Limiting customer service to save company costs. B. Focusing only on revenue growth and ignoring customer needs. C. Avoiding customer feedback because it can be negative. And D. Putting customers at the center of all business decisions. The answer is putting customers at the center of all business decisions. Question 7. Which of the following actions contributes to a customer-centric culture? A. Avoiding improvements based on customer feedback. B. Ignoring customer complaints to avoid workload. C. Training employees to prioritize customer needs. And D. Treating all customers the same without personalization. The answer is training employees to prioritize customer needs. Question 8. Why is employee training essential in a customer-centric company? A. It is unnecessary because employees already know how to handle customers. B. It helps employees provide better service and understand customer needs. C. It is only useful for new employees, not experienced ones. And D. It increases the company's costs without benefits. The answer is, it helps employees provide better service and understand customer needs. Question 9. How can a company measure customer-centric success? A. By tracking customer satisfaction, retention, and feedback. B. By ignoring customer opinions and focusing on sales. C. By limiting interactions with customers. And D. By responding to complaints only when necessary. The answer is by tracking customer satisfaction, retention, and feedback. Question 10. Which strategy is not aligned with a customer-centric approach? A. Encouraging employees to build strong relationships with customers. B. Actively seeking and implementing customer feedback. C. Using aggressive sales tactics without considering customer needs. And D. Offering personalized support based on customer history. The answer is using aggressive sales tactics without considering customer needs. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is competitive benchmarking in customer service? A. Comparing a company's customer service performance to industry leaders. B. Copying everything competitors do. C. Avoiding customer service improvements. And D. Ignoring industry trends. The answer is comparing a company's customer service performance to industry leaders. Question 12. How does benchmarking benefit customer service teams? A. It forces companies to copy their competitors exactly. B. It helps identify strengths and areas for improvement. C. It discourages innovation in customer service. And D. It makes customer feedback unnecessary. The answer is, it helps identify strengths and areas for improvement. Question 13. What is a key metric used in customer service benchmarking? A. Employee vacation days. B. Number of sales calls made. C. Total company expenses. And D. Net Promoter Score, NPS. The answer is Net Promoter Score, NPS. Question 14. Which of the following is not a recommended benchmarking practice? A. Studying best practices from top-performing companies. B. Ignoring competitor success stories. C. Tracking industry trends and innovations. And D. Using customer feedback to refine service strategies. The answer is ignoring competitor success stories. Question 15. How can a company stay competitive in customer service? A. By continuously improving service based on industry trends and customer needs. B. By refusing to make changes to avoid extra work. C. By limiting customer service hours to save money. And D. By focusing only on product quality and not customer support. The answer is by continuously improving service based on industry trends and customer needs. Question 16. Which factor is most important when comparing customer service performance with competitors? A. The company's social media follower count. B. The number of employees in customer service. C. Customer satisfaction and response times. And D. How often customer service agents are promoted. The answer is customer satisfaction and response times. Question 17. Why should companies review customer service strategies of competitors? A. To learn from their successes and mistakes. B. To copy everything competitors do exactly. C. To avoid making improvements. And D. To eliminate customer service roles. The answer is to learn from their successes and mistakes. Question 18. How often should a company evaluate its customer service against competitors? A. Only when there is a major crisis. B. Only once every 5 years. C. Never, because competitors don't matter. And D. Regularly, to stay up to date with industry trends. The answer is regularly, to stay up to date with industry trends. Question 19. What is the best way to implement successful benchmarking insights? A. Ignoring competitor strategies completely. B. Copying every process from competitors without modifications. C. Adapting best practices while maintaining company values. And D. Making changes without considering customer needs. The answer is adapting best practices while maintaining company values. Question 20. What is the ultimate goal of benchmarking customer service? A. To avoid investing in new service strategies. B. To eliminate the need for customer support. C. To improve service quality and stay competitive. And D. To focus only on financial profits. The answer is to improve service quality and stay competitive. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.